How we transformed a desolate space into a prime rental opportunity. Located in the heart of Santin, the Discovery Building at 1 Discovery Place offers an impressive location with untapped potential. However, the challenge was clear: 2 entire floors were left in disrepair, with exposed wiring, scattered furniture, and an overall sense of neglect. Prospective tenants struggled to envision the value in this space. At Meta-dology, we saw this challenge as an opportunity to demonstrate our expertise in transforming spaces. Our approach was not only to restore the physical environment, but to create a compelling digital experience that would resonate with potential renters. We developed a comprehensive digital platform that provided prospective tenants with an immersive, guided walkthrough of the property. Through this platform, users could explore the space as it was reimagined, complete with a conceptual furnishing layout that enables them to visualize the potential of each area. Our team addressed every detail, from removing safety hazards to redesigning the space with a modern aesthetic. By eliminating the obstacles that once hindered the property's appeal, we created an environment that invites exploration and consideration. Understanding the importance of flexibility, we incorporated a self-guided walkthrough into the platform. This feature allows users to examine the space at different times of day, during various seasons, and even with the option to modify the furnishings and layout. It was a comprehensive tool that helped potential tenants make informed decisions. To ensure a seamless experience, our platform also provided complete access to all relevant details: pricing, amenities, a gallery of high-quality images, and direct contact information for the leasing agent. We've made it simple for prospective tenants to find everything they need in one place. At Meta-dology, our focus is on creating spaces that are not just functional, but desirable. By blending innovative technology with thoughtful design, we transformed a neglected property into a prime rental opportunity. This is the Meta-dology difference, bringing vision to life and unlocking the true potential of every space.